The 45-day Mahakumbh, one of the world's largest religious gatherings, ends today with the final dip at the confluence in Prayagraj on Shivratri. So far, a record 63.36 crore people from every echelon of society have taken the holy dip at Prayagraj's Triveni Sangam. Total number of visitors to this fair exceeds the population of all countries in the world except India and China. And the last day of Mahakumbh is witnessing an overwhelming turnout of saints, sadhus and pilgrims from across the world. The atmosphere is, of course, charged. Let's go straight across to Vasudha, who's joining us from Prayagraj. Vasudha, we believe the atmosphere is charged with spirituality as devotees take their final dip. I can see you with a large number of devotees. Over to you. What's the atmosphere like?
Yeah. Well, Radhika, this visit of mine to Mahakumbh has also prompted me to think if Indians are trying to re-navigate their relationship with faith and religion, because I see a lot of youngsters who have come here and many of them are curious about Hinduism, the faith, the traditions and timeless legacy of India. Let's listen into some of these voices. I've tried to get some young voices to understand why are younger professionals being drawn to religion and events like this. This is, these are pilgrims from West Bengal. We also have some pilgrims from Gujarat. Then there are some from Tripura as well. So you're from Bengal. You're from Kolkata. Generally मानते हैं कि बंगाली जो है, he's not जैसे Marxist rule रहा है 30 years तक. Politically, how do you see the Bengali sentiment towards Hinduism? और आपका experience कुंभ में कैसा रहा?
Let the chopper go first.
That's the chopper there. We are at this boat club ghat. People come here and from here they take a boat to Sangam, which is where they have their dip, which is probably the biggest highlight of Mahakumbh.
Well, I liked your question. Though Bengal is traditionally marked with 34 years of Marxism, but Bengal is the only state of the country in which a religious festival like Durga Puja has been awarded by UNESCO World Heritage. So it's not about a political culture, it's all about the ethos and the values of a state. So Bengalis are always, proud Hindus. And I am also a proud Hindu. That's why I felt that out of 130 or 140 crore population of India, maybe Hindus would be 100 crores, and out of 100 crores, 70 crores have already taken a dip. So I should be a part of that 70 crore proud Hindu to take a dip. So that is why I'm here with my daughter of 10 years old.
Okay. How did you find the experience?
Nice.
Okay, what did you like the most? Did you like the river? Did you like the vibe? Did you like that you were with your parents? What did you like?
Being with my parents and enjoying this view.
Okay. And do you actually go for these religious? There's a surge in youngsters getting drawn to religion and faith. What do you think is the reason behind this?
Well, I missed the Ganga Sagar because, in Hinduism there's a famous saying, Shop Tirtho Bar Bar, Ganga Sagar Ekbar. So I missed the Ganga Sagar this time, but I'll visit the next. But the main reason of being a part of this is because of the planetary movement. This is a first of its kind in 144 years. And after 144 years, I'll not be alive. So I thought that I should be a proud person to be a part of this.
So the fear of missing out, and also the fact is there is some alignment with faith and people want to explore the traditions and legacy of our traditions. Thank you so much. Also a group from Tripura here. Tell me, ma'am, कि कैसे एक तो त्रिपुरा सुंदरी की बहुत बात करते हैं, वहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा एक तो मठ-वठ हैं. But how was your experience here? आप हमेशा क्या religious trips पे जाते हैं? ये पहली बार है और experience कैसा रहा और व्यवस्थाएं आपको कैसी लगी?
So actually I'm very happy. I came with my three brothers. Okay, we came with our family and we are very happy to come here. And actually we were listening very things about this too much crowd and all. And on the way is very problematic. But we don't feel any problem. We safely reached here today morning. We reached here and we are very happy and very disciplined. Right. All of us very disciplined, sir. And government also I think they're taking very action to do all the disciplinary action they are taking. I feel and very happy we are. Okay.
So we also have some people from Gujarat here. Vishal, tell us, Some things like, the prices of boards, prices of essentials have also gone up. What are the things that you liked about Mahakumbh and what are the things that you think could improve?
Well, it has been a really amazing experience, and as people are saying, it's been once in 144 years. So definitely each one should experience this. And yeah, board prices are a bit high, but definitely it's been a kind of situation for them as well to earn something. So it's fine. I mean, they are a little bit bargaining, like 2,500 and all. So that's fine.
And what are the things that you think are the best part of the arrangements? Do you want to come to a Mahakumbh yet again? And why did you feel the need to come this time?
Well, definitely the arrangements are really good, but yeah, as the crowd is going more and more, so there is one plus and minus, but that is fine.
Okay. There's also another group here from Telangana. They're South Indians, and I always find it nice when I see South Indians here. Tell us, how was your experience and kaisa laga aapko? And what do you think was really nice, and what do you think can be also part of the improvements?
Yeah. Normally we visit Brahmotsav at Tirupati, and it is so well organized and well disciplined. Even the crowd there, of course, here the crowd is in crores, and there you have crowds in 1 or maybe around 50, 40, 30 or 20, 30 lakhs. But there also the management is excellent. There it is a very organized, what do you call Devasthanam.
That's very interesting. What do you think are the differences between, say, Tirupati Darshan and here? Because because crowds, of course, is not comparable. But there are other things that you think can be better here.
Yeah, it could have been improved. There you have ticketing system and everything is organized. Here we tried to take a dip at the Holy Sangam, but yesterday when we came here, day before yesterday, the price was different. Here the price is different. The government should have organized more of their UP tourism boats or whatever, or the time, so that the common mass people, they could have taken a lot of dip. Everybody could have it should have been an affordable boat ride to the Sangam.
So making boats affordable and ensuring more ghats for pilgrims would be something that the government could be looking at. Ma'am, how, as women, did you like the experience? Kaisa laga aapko? About food, water, what are the other things that you think can be improved, and what are the good things that you liked?
बहुत अच्छा लगा है तो
स्नान अच्छा हुआ?
हाँ अच्छा हुआ स्नान
बहुत अच्छा हुआ
संगम में किया है बहुत अच्छा मिला है
मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छा है बट ये बस जैसे बोले वो जो बोट का अभी बताया वही अच्छा नहीं लगा हमको बस बाकी सब तो परफेक्ट है इधर
price of hiking boat prices is minus point is that only.
बस
But as expected, was this experience better or underwhelming?
It was better.
It was better.
It was a too good experience, and I should appreciate the security personnel and the police department, because we have seen the crowd in huge groups, but they are managing, and they are so polite in explaining the whether we are asking them for the roads or the ghats and everything, but they are so polite, and they deserve the what you call the appreciation.
So important points there. Everyone is praising.
Har Mahadev!
So it's Shivratri today.
Last slok I want to tell you. Gangadi tirtha varyeshu dushtere vavarteshu tirohitadi deveshu krishna eva gatirmo.
That's very nice. So basically, a lot of people here full of faith and devotion, and they have very useful feedback for the government. One, of course, they want the prices of essentials to go down, and more importantly, they have complete praise for security personnel and also policemen, because they feel that they were guided to the right ghats by policemen, by security professionals, and that is one thing that's quite uniform here, because most people seem to be quite happy with the arrangements. Of course, there are a few inadequacies which the UP government will have to look at, but remember, 65 crore people, this is not an easy task for any government. So clearly there is introspection, but there's also a reason to celebrate. Let's also listen in to voices of foreign tourists who came to Mahakumbh, and this is what they said.
From Mexico City, we're here with a group of our community, so a lot of people from Mexico City, Colombia, Chile, and Italy. It's a lot of things. It's beautiful to witness so much devotion and unity and expression of different faiths and beliefs, and just an overwhelming feeling of oneness in a way. Lots of noise and people.
I think it is I think it has been better than expected. I think that even though it's a large crowd, excessively large crowd, the feelings, the energy, the sensations of the people has been great, and it feels a lot of peace. It doesn't feel any problems or in security-wise or stuff like that.
Wow, it's overwhelming, but in the best way possible. Honestly, the people have been so welcoming that I felt immediately at ease. I didn't expect with this many people to be as comfortable as I am. So it's really been beautiful.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पे रहने पे। मैं बहुत लकी हूँ कि मैं महाकुंभ देख पा रही हूँ। बहुत खुशी हो रही है देखने पे।
आस्था की डुबकी लगाई। एक्चुअली जब मैंने इतना सुना कि भी मुझे जाना चाहिए तो महाशिवरात्रि में इतनी दूर मैं रात में निकल गया और महाशिवरात्रि मैंने देखा जब आस्था की डुबकी लगाई तो एक अंदर जो आत्म मन से मुझे जो एक शांति मिली है जिससे मैं एक टीचर हूँ, मैं पढ़ाता हूँ बच्चों को और बच्चों के एग्जाम चल रहे हैं और मैंने एक चीज़ एक नया एहसास, एक नई उमंग जो मैंने देखी आज के स्नान में देखी है और मैं सभी के लिए बोलता हूँ कि यहाँ पर इसी तरीके का यहाँ पर आना चाहिए, ऐसे पल को जीना चाहिए, इस खास चीज़ को देखना चाहिए।
Right, so Mahakumbh's final Snan today on Mahashivratri. Of course, this marks a culmination of Mahakumbh, which is of course the largest spiritual gathering of humanity. Millions have come together in devotion, faith and spiritual awakening. We will try and get back to Vasudha, who is in Mahakumbh, reporting from there, speaking to all the devotees, millions of course gathering for the final Amrit Snan at Mahakumbh. We're getting you all the scenes, fervor, sentiments of devotees. Of course, they've been speaking about their experience in Mahakumbh, describing the sentiments as well. So it is the grand culmination of the 45-day festival. It is the grand culmination today. It will culminate with the final Snan, and of course millions of devotees taking their final dip, believing in the purifying power of the holy waters. The Shahi Snan highlight of this grand event had witnessed overwhelming turnout. In the final Snan, Akhara, Sadhus, pilgrims will come together in an unparalleled display of devotion. Of course, security forces on high alert. There is all possible effort by the authorities to ensure smooth arrangement as lakhs and lakhs of devotees pour in on the final day of Mahakumbh. So this is a special coverage of the final day of Grand Mahakumbh Mela. We bring you all the fervor and spiritual essence of the divine gathering live from Prayagraj, where faith meets tradition in one of the largest religious congregations. This is a historic moment live from Prayagraj. You can see crowds really swelling up on your screens there. Faith, devotion, tradition coming together. Today marks the culmination of the sacred event. Millions of devotees are taking their final holy dip in Triveni Sangam, seeking salvation, divine blessings. And you can see air filled with chants. There are sights of saffron-clad sadhus also all around, and the sound of temple bells. So this is truly a mesmerizing experience for people who've gathered in large numbers. Our colleague Vasudha is reporting straight from the epicenter, from Prayagraj. Of course, she's been taking us through what the people there have been experiencing over the last several days. Mahakumbh's final Snan today on the occasion of Mahashivratri. It is the culmination of Mahakumbh, which is the largest spiritual gathering of humanity. We will of course keep giving you all the live updates as Mahakumbh concludes. Today is the Mahashivratri, the final Snan day. And we've been seeing over the last several days high-profile people, celebrities, politicians gathering in large numbers in Mahakumbh, a grand 45-day journey with about 63 crore visitors. All right, we are joined by Vasudha again. Vasudha, of course, you've been giving us experience of all of these devotees to us. But you know, take us through the significance of this final snan. We know that there have been multiple snans and dips that have taken place. What is the significance of today, and you know, what are the key rituals of today?
Well, Radhika, Shivratri is considered the last auspicious snan when it comes to Mahakumbh 2025. So after Posh Purnima, Makar Sankranti, Marg Purnima, Basant Panchami, this is considered, Shivratri is considered the last bathing ritual. And of course, with this, the confluence of faith and devotion comes to an end. And also this Mahakumbh is special because it's projected as an event that comes once in 144 years. So one Mahakumbh after 12 Purnakumbhs. Let me get you some voices from Mahakumbh 2025. Interestingly, there's a family that has come from Prayagraj, Dr. Shukla. Yes, let me ask this family as to what they feel. Sir, tell me how first of all, your experience was. A lot of people say that Prayagraj is looking very beautiful, but a lot of people are also saying that it's looking crowded. What are the things that the government got right? What do you think can be the improvements? What's your experience been like?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है और ऑल ओवर इंडिया से लोग यहाँ, क्या वर्ल्ड कहिए, लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं। तो हमारे लिए, हम चूँकि इलाहाबाद के ही हैं, तो हमारे लिए एक तो बहुत ही खुशी का क्षण है कि हमारे प्रयागराज में ऑल ओवर इंडिया से लोग आए हैं। तो छोटी मोटी परेशानी कोई नहीं, इतना बहुत अच्छा अरेंजमेंट है हमारे योगी जी और मोदी जी का, जिससे कि जो है हम लोगों को बड़ी अच्छी अनुभूति हो रही है कि जो है प्लेजर है हमारे लिए कि दुनिया के लोग यहाँ पे आए हैं, तो हम लोग भी नहा रहे हैं, तो हमारे लिए एक तो सुखद अनुभव है ये।
मैम, आप प्रयागराज से हैं, ये बताइए कि कोई ऐसे आपको एज अ रेसिडेंट हियर कोई तकलीफ हुई? और यहाँ पे महाकुंभ आपका तो ये पहला नहीं होगा ना, आप तो पहले भी आई होंगी।
श्योर, ऐसे कोई तकलीफ नहीं हुई है, लेकिन ऑब्वियसली कि इतनी भीड़ आ जाएगी, तो जैसे वर्किंग है, ऑफिस जाना है, तो एक बहुत बड़ा टास्क हो जाता है ऑफिस तक पहुंचना और लौटना, क्योंकि ट्रैफिक की वजह से। बाकी लेकिन वो ऑब्वियस है कि इतने लोग आ रहे हैं, इतनी गाड़ियां हैं, जो मतलब इतना छोटा सा शहर है, इसका इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर बना नहीं है उतने लोगों के लिए, तो बस उतनी ही प्रॉब्लम थी।
महाकुंभ का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
महाकुंभ का एक्सपीरियंस तो वंस इन अ लाइफ टाइम वाला एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरे ख्याल से सबको करना चाहिए एक बार, बहुत अच्छा अनुभव रहता है ये।
सर, कुंभ तो पहले भी प्रयागराज में होता आया है, इस बार जो है क्या डिफरेंस लगा आपको?
इस बार व्यवस्था बहुत दिव्य है, ऐसी व्यवस्था कभी हमने अपने इस इलाहाबाद में अपने जीवन में नहीं देखा है। बहुत ही दिव्य व्यवस्था है, बहुत ही दिव्य व्यवस्था है, किसी चीज़ की कोई कमी नहीं है।
Also, you tell me, where are you from? आप कहाँ से हैं and how was your experience?
Okay, I'm Dr. Charlotte from Malaysia. I'm quite impressed with what I see, the cleanliness, the hygiene, the control of the traffic, the military control. I came in very last minute, but I'm very impressed. Now I'm waiting to go on the boat to Triveni. Yeah, it's a wonderful experience. I'm very lucky to be here.
Right. Also, let me get in some people from Delhi here. आप दिल्ली से हैं, ये बताइए कि कैसा रहा इस बार आपका?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा जी, और अच्छा गवर्नमेंट का यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अच्छा है, अच्छा रहा। हाँ जी।
और you're from Malaysia, did you this was your first time here?
Yes, my first time here. Very lucky to be here actually. Last minute through my agent, One World. It was a very last minute entry. I'm very lucky to be here.
Why did you feel the urge to come?
It's a very, very auspicious time to be here. 144 years once, and I'm gifted to be here actually. Yes.
Sir, आप कहाँ से हैं?
मैं जौनपुर जिले से हूँ। हमारे जीवन में पहली बार मैंने इतना बड़ा आयोजन देखा है। मैं योगी और मोदी को उसके लिए बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ।
So clearly there seems to be, a celebration of faith and devotion. Of course, people also point out that things could have been better. But remember, an event like this, at a scale like this, is being held for the first time. The largest gathering of human beings on earth, something that world organizations have also acknowledged. So clearly this is a challenge for the UP government. And today is going to be an important test because after the Mauni Amavasya unfortunate stampede, the government has put in place several corrective measures, enhanced crowd management, enhanced advanced tech-driven emergency response system. So clearly, this is also going to be a test of UP administration skills. But 65 crore people have already attended Mahakumbh 2025, and 25 lakh people since morning have taken bath, a dip in the Sangam. So clearly, this is going to be something that the UP administration will be patting its back on, but at the same time will also be watching out for very carefully so that everybody goes home with a sense of spiritual bliss, and at the same time a sense that the government tried its best to ensure that all arrangements were put in place.